ANYCUBIC Water Washable Resin 2.0 is genuinely convenient because finished prints rinse clean under running water instead of needing separate alcohol baths. The resin flows easily in the vat, which helps it level quickly between layers and noticeably cuts down on failed prints during longer jobs. Detail reproduction is impressive, with crisp edges and smooth surfaces that hold up well on miniature features and functional prototypes. The updated formulation is less prone to warping or hairline fractures over time, so models feel more reliable for display and light use. It works with a wide range of 365 to 405 nanometer resin printers, so you can drop it into almost any modern monochrome or color-masked stereolithography machine without fuss. Being rated for 8K capable printers and sold as a clear bundle, it is a strong choice when you want transparent parts or very fine surface quality for painting and post-processing.